Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our channel. So, ladies, today we are here with another amazing video of spiky hairstyles. As you know, that spiky hairstyles have been a popular choice for many years, and it will continue to be a trendy for those who want to look bold and have an edgy look. So, ladies, they are versatile and they can be adopted in different lengths. So, let us begin our amazing video of spiky hairstyles, ideas, and fashion trends. First of all, as you know, the style features into spikes all over the head, giving a bold look. You can have a smooth and sharp spiky hairstyle as well. Look, ladies, how amazing these hairstyles are looking. The fox hawk is a spiky hairstyle, which is the center section is having the spikes. You can see these are really short hairstyle, and it is very convenient for the person who want a short look, and it looks really bold and fashionable. Ladies, by adding color accents to your spiky hairstyle can give it a fresh and modern look. You can also have messy spikes hairstyle, which are also a very trend, and create a more beautiful and amazing look. Instead of perfectly defined spike, you can have a textured tasseled spikes as well. You can see, ladies, you can also use hair products with a matte finish rather than a shiny or glossy finish. You can also have mixed length depending upon your choice. You can have different lengths, whether it will be medium length, whether it's shorter length, but it is usually shorter than the shoulder. You can adopt these lengths and have a beautiful spiky haircut. Regular haircuts have maintained the shape and style of the spiky hairs. Keep your sides and back trimmed, or you can have the spikes all over the head like this one. You can see you can have these spikes by using a strong gel hold products, wax or paste to maintain your spikes throughout the day. You have seen many fashion icons having spiky haircuts as well. So this is all for today, ladies. If you want more spiky haircut, then do